Welcome to Overview, the first in the Who Sees What series. These videos provide the basics on visibility and data access in Salesforce. There are several layers of access control that determine who sees what in your Salesforce organization. First, users need access to the organization itself. As the administrator, you provide this by creating and activating users and allowing them to log in from set IP ranges during hours that you define. Once in the org, you must grant users access to objects. This is done at the profile level. For example, your salespeople need access to accounts, contacts, and opportunities, and your call center reps need access to accounts, contacts, and cases. The next layer determines which records users have access to. For example, the U.S. Sales Director needs to see the opportunity records in the U.S. region. And finally, there's field-level security. There may be individual fields that contain information of a confidential nature that should only be visible to certain profiles. For example, a field that displays commissions should be hidden from our call center reps. Let's take a look at where these layers of access are set up within Salesforce. We're logged into our practice org, AW Computing, as the administrator. All of the functionality related to visibility and access to data is located in the setup pages. Organization access. To set up IP ranges, we'll go to the Administration Setup area, to Security Controls, Network Access. Here we can set up a trusted IP range for AW Computing. Object access. To get users started with the access they need to objects, we'll create and assign profiles. Profiles are also located in the Administration Setup area, under Manage Users, Profiles. Here you'll find a list of all standard and custom profiles. You can clone any existing profile, such as the standard profile, and use that as the basis for a new profile, adjusting the apps and system settings as needed. To assign a profile, you'll go to the list of users, located under Manage Users, and edit the user record. Here, we'll assign the sales rep profile to Karen Adams by choosing it from the list of profiles. It's important to note that Group, Contact Manager, and Professional editions have standard profiles only. Record access. To grant users access to records, we'll set up roles in a role hierarchy. Let's use the Quick Find box to find roles. Looks like the role hierarchy is also in the Administration Setup area, under Manage Users. Here you can add new roles in the hierarchy, edit or delete existing roles, and assign roles to users. Field access. Access to fields is controlled through field-level security. This can be applied in a few areas here in the setup pages. Let's say we want the commission field on opportunities hidden from our call center reps. One way to set security on this field is to go to Security Controls in the Administration Setup area, to Field Accessibility. Since the discount field is on the Opportunities object, we'll click Opportunity. We'll view by fields and choose Commission. Here we can see what accessibility each profile has, and we can click to edit these settings. Now you know the main places you'll be working in to set up visibility and access to data for all your users. For more information on the topic of visibility and access, watch all of the titles in this video series. In addition, you can search for these topics in the Help and Training portal. Thanks for using Salesforce.